way. This way. This out. Shingle back. Now this is just temporary, putting this back in its place. Once down, I'll come back up with some caulk. Try to seal this back together as good as I can. Alright, so just grabbing some new nails. I never reuse nails. 4 nail holes. I'm going to put this nail somewhere in this area. You can tell that shingle didn't like that very much. Make sure our edge still lines up. Trying my best not to lift up to 45 degrees. We'll deal with that in a little bit. There went another one. On the right shingle. There we go. More nail here. And one nail in this other shingle here. On to our subject. I mean, only lifting up this far. That's how far I was just lifting up. And you can hear the tabs delaminating, probably delaminating around here as well. Let's see if it does it here. Yep. That's not me straight lifting the shingle up. At maybe 20 degrees or so. If I've lifted it up straight like this, definitely pull through. Repair the shingle is always fun to do on a Saturday. Keeps you spry. Keeps you away from home with your wife. Keeps you away from the 2 jobs you were building that broke. That creased. Hard to tell with the shadow line here, but every single laminate came off. There's an abundance of granules coming loose, and honestly a lot more of these would have creased if there wasn't so many pull-throughs. So that actually, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a nail in there. Just to keep it down for the time being. Say a swift breeze can probably give you a couple new blow-offs on this in the current state. All our nails back in. That came up. All of these. All of those. Somehow, well, that may have already been creased, but throw one in here. Well, no, I'll break it. Can give you a top-down view.